Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to use remote PC. So to get started with that, in 2025 remote PC remain a top tier remote desktop solution offering a secure cross-platform access for individual IT professionals and businesses. So to get started, create an account on the remote PC website and download the appropriate installers for your operating system. Could be Windows, macOS, Linux, or probably mobile platform like iOS on Android. So after installation, launch the app and sign in with your credentials to enable always on access. Assign a unique name for your computers and set a personal key, which is a password. So once configured, your device will appear in your remote PC dashboard, then read for remote connection. Then after that, to initiate a remote section, log in into your remote PC account via the web or the desktop application. Then select the desired computer from your list. Then choose your preferred connection method, either the browser-based Lite or the full-featured desktop app. So and during this section, you can transfer file, chat, print remotely, and even use a whiteboard for collaboration. So for real-time support, remote PC offer and attended across features, allowing you to generate a one-time section code to assist client or colleagues without prior installation on their device. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and how it can be a beneficial to you. Thanks.